every time I go to the grocery store, I get madder than a hatter. I am so tired of prices for things that are organic or that I want to feed my family. And I said to myself, what can I make that I don't have to buy today? So I decided on butter. Every time I go to the cabinet in the kitchen or the cabinet in the bathroom and I go to throw something away and it's a can, I'm thinking, this is going to be in landfill forever. I recycle everything. But there's still some things I still had in my cabinet that I wonder about. And I want to quit doing that if everybody just did one item. But anyway, we're making butter today. And this comes from heavy cream. And my husband, John, he walked by and gave me that look where he goes, well, she's up to it again. He's going to love it, though. He still he's not upset. He just don't understand me sometimes. Ever since I got the wild hair, I said, you know what? I had open heart surgery, and I said, when I woke up, I said, well, we're selling the house. We're building a log cabin. I was 57 years old. So he might call me dramatic, but he just wondered, why in the world are we moving from a perfectly good house? But he just smiles at me, shakes his head a little, and lets me do whatever I'm doing anyway. But here's the truth. I'm tired of paying ridiculous prices for food that don't even taste real. And if they are real, then they're expensive. And I got to cut back somewhere. I'm tired of my kids having to budget for clean food. And I'm tired of pretending that this is all normal. And I am going to do something about it. So the kind that I'm going to make is a honey brown sugar butter. So we need heavy whipping cream. I got raw and unfiltered honey because of I like to go with the non-processed, and some powdered sugar, a little bit of salt. So we'll start out by pouring our heavy whipping cream into the mixer bowl. I think most people think butter is complicated. But basically, you just put cream in a jar or a mixer, and you turn it on. And I must warn you, you're going to want to put a towel over the top because it will fly out of the bowl. Okay, see that? That's the moment that the cream turns into whipped cream, and then suddenly it breaks. And as you can see here, the buttermilk is separating. The next thing is to strain the buttermilk and then rinse the butter under some cold water. Then press out any extra liquid. And after you strain off the buttermilk, you can save it for biscuits for cooking. And actually, it's really good to use in your garden as well. Next, strain the buttermilk from the butter. I'm using cheesecloth. And that's after it's been washed with cold water. You have a lot of buttermilk left and sometimes not as much. And then it goes right back into your bowl. Next, you add 3 tablespoons of honey. And I'm just going to eye it. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, or to taste. And then a pinch of salt. Then mix up the honey cinnamon butter. Once you taste this, you are never going to buy store-bought again. I'm not making the butter because it's cute. I'm just tired of the store prices. So pick one thing, make the butter, grow the tomatoes. You are going to be so excited to know that you had total control over what goes into your body. And next week, it's deodorant. Tell me in the comments what you're going to make.